The wheels are just pretty much complete now. The chrome handle here, the chrome paint kind of tarnished when I started using it. That's kind of the only disappointment. As soon as I started using this handle, when it was well dried, it tarnished. Now to get this off, it's not as easy as it looks, so I'm just probably going to leave it as it is for now. But the paint came up alright. I did had to take all this door apart to put this handle back on, because I had to hold the lock mechanism open to get this handle put back on. That was a bit fiddly. I painted the shelves, all done. I had to retouch up this one because I kind of missed a spot. But these turned out pretty good. All nice and re-chromed. The shelves turned out nice. That's looking nice, much better. Forgot to take the masking tape off that bottom part, but I'll do that later. That's looking really good, look at that. I've had to re-solder the bit that was broken off here. I've tried spot welding it, but it's not as easy as it looks. So I just heated it up with a mat gas and got a soldering iron to finish it off to solder this, soldered it and it held up. The only thing I got to do now is try and stick this back on. I'm not sure how well it's going to work though. The soldering, I'll have to try soldering it, if I can solder that, but it does work, but this doesn't get frosty like the bottom does. That's the only drawback. Other than that, it works perfectly fine. I don't think it's really going to be much of an issue anyway. I don't really plan on freezing anything. Maybe a box of little ice creams or something like that. That's probably all I'd use that for. It's still going to work pretty well. The top shelf I never really use anyway. But still, it works fine, so it's not a big worry. No big loss. Just got to clean this plastic up now, but I'm not even going to worry about that. Which has come along quite nicely. It looks really nice in there. Looks brand new. That looks really good. I've got to just polish up our probably grotty hands. I had dirty hands when I was working on putting this door handle back on. Now I just tarnish the paint with my dirty grotty hands. Other than that, this it can go in the rumpus room in my man cave in the house. I could use it in my rumpus room as a drinks fridge. Not as much frost on there now, better than what it was. So I fixed this door latch. That's much better. That's not frosty as much as it used to be. So they have made an improvement on this fridge. Anyway, the Kelvinator has come along quite nicely. I'm very happy with how this has turned out. Shiny, just like it's brand new. I've got a bit of runs here, but I'm not too worried about that. That's not real, yeah. I'm not too worried about that. It's only a couple of runs here and there, but turned out better than I thought.